the water bucket up. Okay.
I'm gonna fill a lot in.
Sure, yeah, fill it all up. Then you can water the holes for me, okay?
No.
No.
It's sick.
Oh, sick. Where are you going? The water bucket, remember the tub out there? You go fill it up in the tub.
Oh.
Yeah. It's too heavy. You don't have to fill it all up. You fill a little bit up. However much you can carry, you fill up.
Got here.
Thank you. You can water the corn for me. Oh, wow, that's heavy. It's heavy for you, buddy.
So heavy.
Yeah, maybe empty some of it out. Want me to empty some of it out?
Oh.
Cool. You gonna do that for me?
Yeah.
Okay, you do that over there, okay?
I've got a big job to do.
You got a big job to do?
Yeah.
That's great. Let's see.
I mean,
Right in this hole. Can you see that hole? Yeah. You backfill it in there. Be very gentle with the plant. It's very delicate right now.
okay.
Okay?
What's new?
Oh, you throw them out of our bed. You don't belong here, little snail. Yeah, grab the whole root. Oh, yeah, all the dirt. There. Good job. I think we're missing a few. I overcounted. I thought I counted just enough holes, but we have more holes than we need. That's okay. We can put a... Oh,
I just can put
there.
other ones in.
Yeah. So those are the corn.
I'm gonna get the other one.
You gonna put it in this one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good hole. Awesome.
Now they gotta grow there and there and there.
Yeah, we're gonna put more.
Now I can have a pumpkin patch.
Yeah, buddy.